Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to add and manage widgets in WordPress. So you can see this is my website and I will add a search widgets in the primary sidebar. So I will go to the admin dashboard, then click on the appearance and also click on the widgets. Okay, click on the add block, click on the browse all, scroll down, you can see there are a lot of widgets. I will click on the search and I will click on the update. Okay, the widgets is ready. Let's check it on the website. Okay, you can see the output. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.